Hey yo, what up everybody? We're gonna take a walk outside real quick, doing the first lawn cutting of the year, but I need y'all to see the funniest shit I've ever seen in my life. Let's check it out. Here's a lawnmower, right? There's a doggy named Cacious, right? So check this out. I'm just gonna walk up to my lawnmower like it ain't nothing. I'm gonna start pushing it. What's the matter? What's the big deal? Whoa, is it moving? Whoa, dude, what's up? Come here. Cacious, come. Cacious, come. Come here. What's the matter, dude? What's your problem? I don't see what the big deal is. And that, my friends, is the funniest shit I've ever seen in my life.
You say brown hair, little button nose, twinkly eyes.